Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to fix stoi out of range error. So as you can see over here, this is a question related to palindrome number. A number is given to us and we have to tell whether it is palindrome or not. So one of the example is given as minus 121. So if we reverse it, it becomes 121 minus, so which is not a palindrome. So here I have done have written this condition for that, and then for other cases I convert the number into a string and then I try to reverse it, and finally I convert the reversed string back into a number and then compare it with the original number. So what are the problem I'm getting here is when I try to run the code, when I try to run it, it shows that out of range runtime error, which is out of range, right? So what you can do is you can use another function instead of stoi, which is stol, and if you try to run this again, it will run successfully. As you can see, the test case I used over here is a pretty big number. So you can simply, now I would submit this code and this would be accepted. Yeah, this is being accepted. So yeah, that's it.